Tired of sending the same message to countless contacts, one by one? Let's unlock the power of bulk messaging with Aisensy and reach your audience effectively and efficiently. First, head over to your Aisensy dashboard. The foundation of any successful campaign is a well-organized contact list. Click on the Contacts tab to manage and segment your audience. You can manually add contacts, or, for larger lists, import a CSV file. Make sure your CSV includes essential information like name and phone number. This information is required to send personalized messages. Segmentation is key. Group your contacts based on demographics, purchase history, or any criteria relevant to your business. This allows you to tailor your message for maximum impact. Next, navigate to the Broadcasts or Campaigns tab. Depending on your Aisensy interface, this is where the magic happens. Click on Create New Campaign or a similarly labeled button. Craft your message, use compelling text, add relevant images, and personalize it using variables like name to address each recipient individually. Personalization increases engagement significantly. Select the contact list or segment you prepared earlier. Double-check your selection to ensure you're targeting the right audience. Choose whether to send the message immediately or schedule it for a later date, and time scheduling can be incredibly useful for aligning with different time zones or specific events. Review your campaign summary carefully, the message content, the selected audience, and the sending schedule. Once you're happy, confirm and send. Finally, track your results. Aisensy provides detailed analytics so you can monitor delivery rates, open rates, and click-through rates. Use this data to refine your future campaigns for even better performance. Remember to adhere to ethical marketing practices and respect your audience's preferences. Happy messaging.